Are you tired of overpriced cookware that just doesn't perform? Discover the genius of budget non-stick saucepans. You don't need to spend a fortune to simmer sauces, boil pasta, or heat leftovers. Brands like Tefal and Cuisinart offer reliable options for under $50, making cooking effortless. Trusted experts agree, budget doesn't mean basic. The Food Network named the Tefal Specialty 3-quart as their best value, while Eating Well praised the Tramontina for its budget-friendly performance. These pans are designed to save you time in prep and cleanup. When shopping for your next saucepan, focus on 5 key features: material, size, design, brand, and maintenance. Look for hard anodized aluminum, ergonomic handles, and reliable brands with multi-year warranties. Let's highlight some top affordable picks. Tefal Specialty is lightweight with fast boiling times. Cuisinart Chef's Classic boasts durability and versatility. Greenpan Valencia Pro offers eco-friendly ceramic options for the health-conscious. Lastly, Tramontina stands out for exceptional everyday value. Recognize the risks of subpar cookware. Watch for structural warping due to thin bases and ceramic fading that impacts performance over time. Choose options with hard anodized frames for lasting quality. To maximize your saucepan's lifespan, follow these maintenance tips. Use silicone utensils, avoid overheating an empty pan, hand wash with gentle soap, and stack pans with felt liners to prevent damage. In summary, a budget-friendly non-stick saucepan is a smart kitchen investment. Consider factors like size and compatibility for your needs. Are you ready to elevate your cooking with the perfect affordable saucepan? Explore your options now.